The Gurmukhi script is also called 35 Akhri because historically it had a total of 35 letters. In Punjabi, the number 35 is called 35. These 35 letters are divided into 7 rows and each row has 5 letters. Learning Gurmukhi is really simple. Let's get into it. In the first lesson, we will learn how to read and pronounce the 35 letters of the Gurmukhi script. Along with this, we will also learn how to read and pronounce the additional 6 Persian letters that were introduced into the Gurmukhi script. Please note that in Gurmukhi, every letter has a name as well as a sound. For example, the first letter of the Gurmukhi script is Uda U. The name of the letter is Uda and the sound is U. There are some easy rules to follow across the entire Gurmukhi script. For example, when we look at the consonants, each letter comes with the sound A. For example, we don't read it as Sassa S, we read it as Sassa Sa. The same way, if you look at the next row, it's Kakka Ka, Chacha Cha. The other rule to follow is that in rows 2 to 5, if you look at the second alphabet, they carry the same sound as the previous letter but with aspiration, that is, an extra breath, making a softer sound. For example, Kakka Ka, Kar, Khakka Kha, Khumb. Let's look at row number 3. The first letter is Chacha Cha, Chammach. The second letter is Chacha Cha, Chhatri. So as you can see, the second letter carries the same sound as the first letter but with an extra breath, making it a softer sound. We will get into this as we start to do each row. Another rule to follow is from row number 2 to 6, the fourth alphabet is a combination of the first and the third letters. Let's take a look. At row number 2, Kakka Ka, Khakka Kha, Gagga Ga. Now the fourth alphabet, the name of the alphabet will be a combination of the first and third letter. Therefore, it will be called Ka and Ga together, Kagga. Let's take a look again. First alphabet is Kakka Ka, Khakka Kha, Gagga Ga, Kagga Ka. Now these letters also carry 3 sounds based on their position. For example, if in the front of a word, we pronounce the fourth alphabet with the first syllable. If at the end, then we pronounce it with the second syllable. If it's in the middle, we take the middle of both sounds. We will get into the details as we start to study each row. Here's a quick summary before we get started with the 35 letters. Point number 1. Each letter has a name and a sound, and we will be focusing more on the sound so that we can combine letters and build words. Point number 2. In rows 2 to 5, the second letter sounds like the first, but with a small puff of air. Point number 3. In rows 2 to 6, the fourth letter combines the sounds of the first and third letters within that row. Point number 4. The Gurmukhi alphabet is structured based on how sounds are produced in the mouth and throat. We will follow this pattern across rows 2 to 6. Row 1. Repeat after me. ऊड़ा ऊ, एड़ा अ, ईड़ी ई, सस्सा स, हाहा ह, ऊड़ा ऊ, एड़ा अ, ईड़ी ई, सस्सा स, हाहा ह, ऊड़ा ऊ, ऊंठ, ऊड़ा ऊ, उल्लू. We have also given you examples of the sound in English and Hindi. For example, oo, put, good, food. In Hindi, ut, ummeed, ungli. Aida a, amb, aida a, akh. In English, bus, hut, mother. In Hindi, ab, amrood, adrak. ईड़ी ई, इक, ईड़ी ई, it. In English, igloo, Italy. Eat. In Hindi, idhar, इमली, ईंधन. सस्सा स, सेब, सस्सा स, सप. In English, sit, salt, soap. In Hindi, साल, सफाई, साबुन. हाहा ह, हाथी, हाहा ह, हथ. In English, hello, here, home. In Hindi, हक, हमारा, हरा. Row 2. Repeat after me. Kakka ka, khakha kha, gagga ga, kagga ka, nganga nga. All the letters in this row are produced when the back of the tongue meets the roof of the mouth. Try it and see again. Kakka ka, khakha kha, gagga ga, kagga ka, nganga nga. कक्का क, कबूतर, कक्का क, car. In English, car, cone, kite. In Hindi, कान, किताब, कील. खक्खा ख, खोता, खक्खा ख, खम्ब. In English, khadi, which is a type of cloth. In Hindi, खरगोश, खरीद, खतरा. गग्गा ग, गां, गग्गा ग, गाजर. In English, game, goat, golf. In Hindi, गेंद, गमला, गरम. कग्गा क, कार, कग्गा क, kadi. If you remember, this is the fourth alphabet in row 2. This will be the combination of the first and third alphabet. Therefore, kagga, kagga, ka, kar. There are no substitutes or similar alphabets in English, so let us look at a similar sound in Hindi. In Hindi, the equivalent alphabet is gha, ghoda. In Punjabi, the same word will be pronounced as kagga, ka, koda. Nga, nga. Nga, nga. The sounds that come close to understanding this letter is, for example, the sound of ng in Ganga. English, the ng in English. Nga, nga. Please take time to revise and repeat everything that you've learnt so far. We hope to see you in the next class where we'll be teaching rows 3 to 5 of the Gurmukhi alphabet. Om Sat Nam.